We all need to persuade or influence others at times, but in order to get down to the soul of a person, we need a special tip that really connects. What tips can we use to persuade people? And is there a simple tool that you can use to supplement any presentation? Of course, you bet. And what kind of persuasion works best in the long term? And what's effective for short term results? Let's find out. Let's explore how to use positive and negative persuasion effectively. This is a quick and easy persuasion model used by the multi-billion-dollar marketing industry worldwide. It is originally developed by Marshall McLuhan and Victoria O'Donnell. The model is simple. Here we go. If you value ... then you should ... If you don't do ... then you won't get ... It's all about knowing how to fill in those blanks. The key to successful persuasion is targeting people's values. While we may not always know someone's specific values, we do know that everyone values time, quality, money, certainty, and security. People want things to be faster, better, and cheaper, and they seek assurance that if they take certain actions, they'll achieve desired outcomes. They also want to feel secure in their decisions. Keep this persuasion model handy for when the right opportunity arises. You never know when you can use it to enhance your proposal, suggestion, or solution. Here are 3 examples. Number 1, if you value your health, then you should exercise and eat well. If you don't, your health could suffer. Number 2, if you value success, then you should learn how to persuade and influence others. Without these skills, your voice may go unheard, limiting your career potential. Number 3, if you value time and peace of mind, then you should learn how to say no to stakeholders. If you don't, you'll likely feel frustrated and overwhelmed. Positive persuasion offers flexibility and can be repeated in various ways. However, when you need to create urgency or mobilize action, negative persuasion can be effective in the short term. Remember, you can't actually persuade others. They must persuade themselves. The persuasion model serves as a facilitator, aligning with people's values and creating cognitive dissonance. It prompts listeners to confront their emotions and ask themselves if they truly care about their values enough to take action. The model demands a decision to act in accordance with their own values or to ignore them. Most people won't choose to act against their own interests. This model provides clarity and encourages individuals to confront their cognitive dissonance. You can apply the persuasion model in face-to-face conversations, presentations, emails, and of course, in marketing. It's perfect for closing any discussion. So, number 4, if you value getting to people to take action, keep a persuasion model solution ready. Because if you don't, your ideas may go unnoticed. Try the persuasion model next time you need to close that deal. And as always, thank you for watching.